simple is good, huh? Let's make a one balloon rabbit. Please welcome in clown action!
Start by pumping up your chrome purple 260 balloon. And tie a knot. Leave an 8 cm tail. Make a 5 cm bubble, followed by two 15 cm bubbles. This forms the ears of the rabbit. Now make a 5 cm bubble. This forms the neck of the rabbit. Now make two 12 cm bubbles and twist them together. This forms the arms of the rabbit. Now make a 10 cm bubble for the body. Now make a pinch twist for the tail of the rabbit. Now with whatever length of balloon you have left, find the middle point and twist it and tie it back to the pinch twist. This forms the back legs of the rabbit. Make the hole of the back legs bigger and put the front legs of the rabbit in between the two back legs. And your Jeff Koons balloon rabbit is done.
Whoa, I have one balloon rabbit. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.